Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a broth, or what we call in Dominica a braff. And today I'm going to be using some chicken back, or what we call back and neck. So I'm going to be seasoning this up. I also have one red snapper defrosting that I'm going to season as well. And I'll be having carrot, cabbage, green banana or fig, yam, dumpling. Yes, it's going to be a whole big pot. So let's get started by seasoning the chicken. So to season my chicken, I'm going to be starting with my green seasoning. Followed by some black pepper. Now you don't have to do much because we're going to add more seasonings when this is cooking. I'm going in with some garlic powder. And then some salt. I'm going to mix this all together, place it in the fridge until I'm ready to add it to my broth. Cover it up, place it in the fridge. I'm also going to be putting some pigtails in my broth. Also back here I have some carrot and Christophene. I have my red snapper or red fish. I also have lime, onion. I have additional onion chopped and garlic. I have seasoning pepper. I also have hot pepper. I have thyme and I have cabbage. First, I'm going to be going in with a teaspoon of olive oil. Once the oil heats up, I'm going to be going in with my onion and garlic. And for the onion and garlic, is just to build that flavor that we also love in Caribbean cooking. And I'm going to have it saute for 2 minutes. And next, I'm going to be going in with my seasoning pepper or pimento pepper. And I'm going to have that saute for just about a minute as well. And next, I'm going to start going in with my back and neck or chicken back. So I just went in with my back and neck or chicken back. And the reason why I like to do it this way rather than just adding water to the pot and then add the seasonings, I feel like the seasonings are a lot better absorbed when I do my broth like this. Now, this may not be your grandmother or your aunt's traditional way of making the broth, but I like to do it this way. And next I'm going to go in with my pigtail. I just feel like it gets those seasonings directly on it versus absorbing it from the water or the gravy, however you want to call it. So this is just my way of doing it. You can stick to the traditional or you can try this way to see what works for you. And these, the pigtail, I had it cut at the butcher and I had it boiled to take majority of the salt out. And I'm just going to allow this to saute for the next 2 minutes and then we're going to move on. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with some hot water. Always add hot water because adding cold water, it's going to take a while for your food to get back up to that temperature. So I'm going to keep adding water and I'll be right back. So in here I have my yellow yam and my potatoes. I'm going to go in with those. Okay. And then I'm going to follow it up with my Christophene and my carrot. I'm going to go in with my thyme and my Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna go in with some more seasoning. I'm going in with my black pepper. Then I'm gonna go in with some of my salt. Followed by some adobo. And then I have 2 pieces of fresh garlic. Just gonna add to here. I do have parsley and scallions that I'm gonna be adding, but I'm gonna add them closer to the end for that last bit of flavor in there. And then I'm gonna go in with my green banana. I mean, you can have a broth without fig. I'm gonna cover this up and start to make my dumplings. So in here I have 1 cup of flour, and I'm gonna go in with some salt. It's about a teaspoon. And then I'm gonna be adding some water to this. Okay. Not a lot of water at all. Okay, so now I'm gonna start making my dumpling. Excuse my dusty hands. So what I like to do, I like to squeeze it at first, roll it into a ball, and then start doing it like this. Okay, then see, it wanted to go in the pan. It wanted to go in that pot. Okay, gonna do it again. Squeeze, roll into a circle, and then like this. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest. Stay tuned. So I had this 1 piece of red fish or red snapper left in my freezer, and I decided to use it in my broth. I just seasoned it with 1 teaspoon of green seasoning. I also put in some salt and some black pepper. Now the fish does not need to be submerged in your gravy. You can just place it at the top because fish tends to cook really fast. And next I'm gonna go in with my parsley and green onion to top it all off. The fish is almost done. I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of cabbage and some lime. Okay, there's the cabbage. Okay guys, so my broth is done. Let me put that stove off. Yes. Oh Lord, I can't wait to get a bowl of this. Thanks again for watching, guys. And I hope to see you guys tuning in to a next video. Bye.